In a world that glorifies speed, patience feels like a forgotten virtue. We're constantly bombarded with highlight reels, overnight successes, and the illusion of instant gratification. This relentless pressure makes us want everything immediately. We demand instant results from our work, expecting a promotion in months, not years. We crave overnight success, forgetting the years of silent effort behind every triumph. We expect our bodies to heal in a week, our minds to mend just as fast. We chase dreams with a deadline of a month, and when they don't materialize, we feel defeated. But the truth is, the universe doesn't operate on our impatient schedule. The strongest, most meaningful things in life take time. They require a deep, unwavering commitment to the process. A tree doesn't grow in a day. Its strength comes from seasons of silent growth. Muscles aren't built in a week. They are forged through consistent strain and recovery. And character isn't shaped overnight. It's carved by the steady pressure of our choices, day after day. This is why we must redefine patience. It doesn't mean waiting passively and doing nothing. It means staying calm, focused, and intentional while still moving forward. You may not see progress daily, but every small step is still a step forward. Each rep, each page, each quiet act of discipline is a vote for the person you are becoming. The quiet people who keep showing up, even when no one notices, are the ones who win in the end. They understand that mastery is built in the unseen hours. So when you feel the pull of impatience, breathe. Anchor yourself in the present moment. Keep planting the seeds of your future, whether it's a new skill, a healthier habit, or a mended relationship. Keep watering them with consistent effort and trust. Trust the process. Trust your own resilience. Because patience is not weakness. It is the ultimate expression of strength. It is power under control.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.